Yo, what's up, guys? We back again. Yeah, today I'm too excited to come on the live again, bro. Yeah, so at long last, you see, yeah, this 4-4 can't say Jesse, homeland Jesse, man. So tough, man. Everything look clean. It's nice. Yeah, and the hoodie also for the pain at the back. Yes, sir. And the can't say at the front. My nigga, I'm too happy to come here today too. For the pain. So this one is actually a tracksuit, and this is the jersey coming on December, uh, first second week of December. Yeah. So we are releasing our next drop on the second week of December. The day will actually be dropping very soon. If not today, tomorrow we are going to drop on the day on our Instagram story to let you all know that this is the day that we are bringing. So I've been preaching on this thing, doing some videos on how I did this thing and how I do that. And now, yeah, it's real, man. It's real. I use Canva to create this. So imagine, you can also use Canva to do best more than me, man. I use Canva to also create this. You can also use the same Canva to do something very different. I use Canva to create this one also. You can also do it, my nigga. So this 4-4 can say strike, hoodie, tracksuit, and this 4-4 can say homeland jersey. So yeah, I did it for my homeland, man. This is Ghana, man. So Ghana retro jersey coming on second week of December before the end of this year. So I appreciate you all to be following me, being on my back from day one to now. I really appreciate it. I ain't here for money, but I'm here to build a clothing brand that to live forever for everybody to what to know, to recognize you, to recognize me and the brand and my squad. To know if the day that I'm not alive, y'all gonna know that yeah, 4-4 Kante or Carlo and the team we did best for the pain and the team. They did their best to put this world and the different kind of designs, man. We just started. Get ready for more. I ain't gonna lie, man. I said what we just started. Get ready for more. So this 4-4 can't say homeland jersey and this 4-4 can't say strike tracksuit hoodie. So it's coming on the second week of December. Y'all should stay tuned, and we'll be bringing more videos on different episodes about how to design this, that, and that. So I'm very excited to come on your screens again, and I really appreciate your time and the love, the views, and the subscribe. You give it to me all day in day out. I really love you all, guys. I appreciate you. And you know what? You'll be back with a different one. So get ready of the second week of December this year, before the end of this year. Get ready to wear this jersey and this tracksuit. Peace out. Love y'all.
You ain't my dog, my nigga, I'm sick of these feds. Not on my watch, not the big heads. Niggas is branded, but niggas is